Our expertise drives your business. For more than 50 years, we've set the standard for excellence in remanufacturing drivetrain components for off-highway equipment.
With Centranz, I get an immediate answer to any questions I may have. That's why I buy from them. They're the experts.
From our service shop to your inbox, Centranz's service technicians will complete a comprehensive failure report, including images and video, to better clarify problems and illustrate recommended remedies. Our full-service machine shop allows us to manufacture replacement parts and reclaim housings and costly hard parts as needed. Our machining capabilities also allow us to implement critical solutions to OEM design flaws. Every transmission is rigorously tested for internal pressures and leaks to ensure it will work properly and reliably in the field. Dyno testing is completed using TestBox, our proprietary diagnostic tool. To minimize downtime, we maintain a large inventory of cores and completed units. Pickup and delivery is also available for select regions of the United States. Centranz's industry-leading warranty guarantees quality where it matters most, at the job site. The bottom line is we hate downtime as much as you do.